Compilada certo bago ni buat kusina na pagkacina lagi.
So it seems like the bridal party, they're ready to make it.
Sunset on horizon, painting skies of gold. You're the light in my darkness, a story yet untold. Your eyes cut through the quiet like a knife so pure. In this simple little town our love endures. Underneath the stars, on this old dirt road, we dance in the silence in a world of our own. Your laughter echoes softly like the summer breeze. In this moment, darling, it's just you and me. Our love's on fire, burning bright. In this small town night, everything feels right. First embrace to down the dirt road where the willows weep. I found a love that haunts my sleep, sneaking round beneath the stars, wrapped in shadows, hiding scars. She had a smile that could steal your soul, eyes like fire burning cold. Met by moonlight, whispered vows in secret places beneath the boughs. Love like a crime we couldn't hide, stolen moments wild and wide, feeling dangerous, hearts on the line, living for love like a crime.
While we have the bridal party sitting down, I'd just like to let you all know that the reserved table, so pretty much the first 8 table, you guys' little buffet session is on this to my left. And then to all the church members and family friends of the bridal group, your buffet is at the back, the 2 back side over there. And they would like for you guys to make a line in the middle. So, like per ear in the middle sections, instead of just going and cutting corners, and there were 2 lines forming as well.
Nilai kau ya, Tapi dia là khi là con cái thằng em khi là đó cái là như là một phần người để muốn có phải cái áp mà có tập nhiều mà đó này cái đó suy nghĩ có và masih aku kepada nó lên tàu tàu thì lên decoration lên through ini mana lah tahu pun sudah boleh tu. Tapi pun ini boleh masih ada tak seperti ini tak pun dia jadi tak boleh istilah lah kesana mana. I would like to thank everyone who came for this beautiful wedding. Thank you so much. I actually thought about it, like how am I going to speak and how am I do the speech to appreciation speech, you know. But I don't know. I just forgot. Maybe I'm too happy, but I really thank thank everyone who comes and also everyone who helped with the kitchen, the church, decoration, everything. May God bless you all.
You guys can start. Let's give them a clap. Do you guys want to do cake feeding as well? Cake feeding? Đi rồi. We're going to our next item, which will be should I speak in Korean or English? Or Burmese? Okay, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Nomuda. I am with my close friend. We've been friends since when? Too long, that's why. Yeah, we've been friends since I came to Australia, so that was 15 years ago. Gaither has been my longest friend, and she is one of a kind. She's a very humble person. Whenever we're together, it's like, I don't know, we're always happy. We're always laughing. Like, we never really had any arguments, any disagreements. Or maybe we did have a little bit, but not much. But yeah, she's. I'm very happy for you. Honestly, I want to cry, but.
Best friends forever, through thick and thin. Standing strong together, we'll always win. Through the laughter and the tears, we'll conquer all our fears. Best friends forever, until the end of time.
Like,
We share
I'm
our
happy for you,
secrets and our wildest dreams. No matter where life leads, we're an unbreakable team. You
she's
lift me
always
up
been there for me.
when I'm feeling down.
They're like, we've
You're
been
the
through
one
a
I
lot.
turn
And I
to
feel like
whenever I'm in doubt. Best friends forever, through thick and thin.
I don't want to cry too much,
Standing
but I don't know
strong
why.
together, we'll always win.
Yeah, she's been there for me, like, through everything. Like, she knows me more than, like, my family. She's like a sister to me, and she's always helped me through, like, whenever I have difficult times, and then she's there. I just wanted to say thank you. And, like, on your wedding day, I wanted to congrats you both. And I know that God has put you guys together for a reason. And I know you've been through so much. That when it comes to relationship, and I thank God that you have found someone that will truly love God as much as you. So I just wanted to congrats you, and I hope that you guys. I just wish you all the best, and please don't leave me. Like, still come visit me, but don't worry, I will soon be married too. So.
Chibla atha na blo thoda na khutta ya de la khona
Takane chomo takane leksa ya siguro kutela taba.
ya da wana
To say regular say ya to vale tataga agwa go la le na ke ma agwa je de la
la kho ta kho
we taplo ne mini mi to itane mi to September we ta nu wa da we taplo
okay
irane kisi to last September. I bet you
We'll go on a double date more often, yeah? So I don't have to third wheel. So the Bible verse I chose for you today is Proverbs.
So he was one of my mentor too, you know, like that's how I become a newborn Christian. And we were in a mission trip up mountain in Thailand, and then that's how we serve in the ministry. And then one of like each of the like, you know, as Karandi is saying, we everyone have like different gifts. So we serve in our corner, and I've been learning from him a lot too. He's always like humble and you know, always like stand up for the team.
Okay, see you there. Like a kidney tiba tar para. Kaya dia wili dar kue niya. Kidney wilama wila tar kue. Ketali. Pueteli.
Du obui again thalatami po nadabayo babo ko khete pha mole pukwi nada omu dami mo phola nalami ko gamita mamuna thobo muna yo galishi phola ubana kahina da thami nagamine da loso sa obu yero na thobo oi me obu me te ye na thobo no khon me basa no ta se bu do na obi khaye na le eta Muna yo galishi phola ubana kahina da thami nagamine da loso sa obu yero na thobo oi me obu me na thobo no khon me basa no ta se bu do na obi khaye na le eta ta wi mi na la ta sa wi pho I da mi de mu nagamine da loso sa obu yero na thobo oi me obu me te ye na thobo no khon me basa no ta se bu do na obi khaye na le